Hi, today I would like to make a demo on how to change the this logo. Okay, I would like to change this logo. So what would I do is first I have to, okay, this is the site. I would like to change this logo. So what would I do is I would like to right click and then inspect. Okay, inspect, and then I know this is the position of the image that is used. Okay, so I would log into cPanel, which is the cPanel of the website. This website is JQ Automation. So I just go to cPanel and then click the file manager, and then I go to public HTML, and then I know this is the tiki wiki. This is the tiki wiki directory and tiki 18, and then following this, sorry, where's it? This one. Okay, it's under image tiki. Okay, how do I know that this is the directory? It's because I'm the one who set it up, and I have specified during the setup that all the directories will go to here, tiki 18. Okay, so I go to image, and then I go to tiki. Okay, here is the file. Yeah, so what I should do is I download this image, okay, like this, and then I open the image. Let's say the image is here. I put it here. The image is here, right? You can see this is the image, and then I edit the image using Gim. Let's say I use Gim here. Okay, I just open up the image in Gim, for example, like, okay, here I open up the image with Gim. Okay, this is it, and then you can do whatever you like here, and then export it to another another PNG. You export it with the same name, exactly the same name. Let's say tiki vcg png, and then afterwards you just upload the file back to the cPanel. Okay, here I upload. Okay, I upload the file back to, let's see, it's a file. It's been, where is it? So certification tiki JSL. Okay, this is the edited file. Okay, open. File already exists. Was let out, so you want to continue. Override it? Yes. Okay, now it's already uploaded. Okay, so now we can see it back. Unfortunately, it doesn't have viewer here. Okay, let's check whether this is the correct image. Yes, it's already correct image. So now I can simply refresh this wiki to see whether it's changed or not. I reload it. Okay, that's all.